people. So in this is my fifth video of the day, and here I want to review this particular documentary. It's called End of Sentence, which is, you can find this on Netflix. People, it's just like a 13-minute documentary, but it won the Oscar for the best documentary. So that just shows that a 30-minute program shot in the outskirts of Delhi, near the UP, near Noida, UP border or whatever, about these women who are, helping make sanitary napkins. It's just, honestly, there's nothing really to speak about that, because it's just a documentary. But the fact that it won an Oscar, and brevity, right? Just 30 minutes of your time, and it's like you would know how life is in, if you're uh, a woman in living in the outskirts of Delhi, and to, menstruation. Yeah, this thing is, everybody's very like hush hush about it. So go and try and watch it, people. It's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.